welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Niecy, the beauty icon. Now today I have my daughter. Her name is Harmony. She's 8 years old and she's going to be my model today. So my daughter is the type of girl that she loves to get her hair done, but she don't like the process of getting it done. So I want to show you guys, while we're in quarantine, some helpful styles that'll help you get through this process where you're not doing and undoing hair all the time. So if you guys stay tuned, I'll show you lots of details in this video. See you in a few.
I'm too tired. I was playing my favorite game. I don't want to.
Girl, you better come on here. So now we just have conditioner on her hair and we're going to comb it through. We're going to get a cap to place on her head, and if you don't have a cap at home, it's okay to use a plastic Walmart bag or anything that's plastic. So now we have rinsed all the conditioner out. I can go ahead and comb it through. And we're going to do 4 sections. Simple and easy. So once you have a part down the center of her head, then you're going to go from ear to ear. And I will start from this ear only because the camera is on this side. And I'm going to comb the hair, twist it, and clip it. And the same thing with each section. Any heat protectant that you have on hand, you want to just go ahead and put it in her hair while it's wet. Okay guys, we'll be using this Murray Edge Wax Control, along with our clippies, rubber bands, and I have a rat tail comb. That's all we'll need. So we're just going to show you how to properly wrap the hair once you complete the style. But every night before your child goes to bed, she needs to wrap her hair. And if she doesn't wrap it, know how to wrap it, teach her how to wrap it. It helps you, it alleviates stress off of you. Harmony knows how to wrap her hair, and she knows if she can't wrap it to allow me to wrap it. So this is it. This is how you want to wrap it. And that should preserve your style a little. take your rag, your scarf or do-rag or whatever you're gonna use, fold it, and you secure the sides. Okay, that's it. They go to bed, you put a bonnet on top of it, or you can leave it. If they're a pretty decent sleeper, you can leave it like it is and just have the curls exposed. So here. Okay, so Harmony, which way did you like your hair the most?
I gotta say this one.
This will be the one you wear. This is yours. The bun. Messy bun. Look. Alrighty. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit your post notification buttons for more updates. Also,
comment down below what else you want us to do on this channel.
And till next time, we appreciate you guys so much. You be blessed. And always remember, Jesus loves you.